My mother language is Sindhi, my national language is Urdu, and as knowing to learn as a third language, but I still had to learn English. So for months, I wrote new words with their meanings and also use those words in 2 to 3 sentences. The problem was whenever I had to speak to someone, one proper sentence never come out from my mouth. But look at today. I can talk English, I can walk English, so and so. And today I'm going to tell you exactly how even you can speak English confidently. Yes, confidently. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. It helps me to make more videos for you guys. I want you to start learning English as soon as possible. That's why this video has to be in English. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to improve vocabulary as well as at the end. And at this video, I will tell you that how can collect vocabularies from different things. Look, learning one word daily and writing in a diary, it's a good method. But I'm going to tell you 3 things which helped me a lot to improve my vocabulary. The very method we happen to use very a lot in our life. For example, this baby is very cute. Say this. This baby adorable. Instead of saying I am very tired, say this, I am exhausted. Instead of saying this meeting is very important, say this meeting is crucial. Did you see that? We just learned 3 new words. Just decided to not use very. At the bonus tip, I'm going to tell you be curious. Yes, be curious, my friend. I need to tell you to collect new words. They are everywhere. You can find them on a newspapers, on billboards, on magazine, even on a biscuits wrapper or biscuits packet. They are trying to communicate with us in English using at least one word that we don't know. That's how we can improve our vocabulary. Thank you so much for watching my video and let me know in comment. I will reply you there. Thank you.